Discover 100 different peppers and learn how their distinct flavors, colors, and heat levels can transform your cooking. Let's learn 100 peppers. Bell pepper. Mild and sweet, colorful and perfect for salads or stir-fries. Banana pepper. Mild and tangy, great for pickling or sandwiches. Poblano. Mild Mexican chili often roasted or stuffed in dishes like chiles rellenos. Ancho. Dried poblano with sweet, smoky flavor used in Mexican mole. Pasilla. Dark, rich chili used in sauces and moles for deep flavor. Mulatto. Mild, chocolatey dried pepper common in traditional Mexican cooking. Guajillo. Smooth red chili with medium heat and fruity undertones. Chipotle. Smoked dried jalapeño that adds smoky heat to sauces. Jalapeño. Popular medium hot chili used fresh, roasted, or pickled. Fresno. Looks like a jalapeño but fruitier and slightly hotter. Serrano. Hotter than jalapeños, adds a fresh, crisp spice to salsa. Cayenne. Hot and versatile, often dried and ground into chili powder. Thai chili. Small and fiery, used in Thai and Southeast Asian dishes. Habanero. Very hot chili with fruity, tropical flavor. Scotch Bonnet. Caribbean favorite, fruity and fiery for jerk seasoning. Aji Amarillo. Peruvian yellow chili with bright, fruity heat. Aji Panca. Mild Peruvian chili with smoky, berry-like flavor. Aji Limon. Lemon yellow chili with citrusy aroma and medium heat. Aji Cristal. Chilean chili with tangy, fresh flavor perfect for salsas. Pekin. Tiny chili with sharp heat used in soups and sauces. Chiltepin. Wild chili considered the ancestor of all peppers, small and hot. Arbol. Thin, fiery red chili used for sauces and chili flakes. Tabasco. Famous for making Tabasco sauce, small and tangy hot. Piri piri. Tiny African chili used in spicy Portuguese sauces. Datil. Sweet and hot chili grown mainly in Florida. Manzano. Juicy chili with apple-like look and tangy flavor. Cherry pepper. Round, mild chili often pickled or stuffed. Hungarian wax pepper. Medium hot chili used in European cuisine. Shishito. Mild Japanese pepper, often grilled or blistered. Padron. Spanish chili, mostly mild but sometimes unexpectedly hot. Paprika pepper. Dried and ground for the mild, red Hungarian spice. Anaheim. Mild, slightly sweet chili popular in southwestern cooking. Hatch chili. New Mexico favorite with balanced flavor and gentle heat. New Mexico chili. Used dried for sauces and stews, mild to medium heat. Cascabel. Rattle chili with nutty flavor and medium heat. Mirasol. Fruity red chili used fresh or dried in Mexican dishes. Puya. Similar to Guajillo but spicier, adds heat to sauces. Pasilla de Oaxaca. Smoked pasilla with earthy, smoky taste. Negro Chili. Dark and mild chili often used for deep color in sauces. Costeño Amarillo. Mexican chili with medium heat and citrusy notes. Costeño Rojo. Red version of the Costeño, mild and smoky. Mulatto Islino. Sweet, smoky chili used in rich Mexican moles. Kashmiri Chili. Mild Indian chili known for its bright red color. Aji Chili. South Indian chili known for aroma and deep red hue. Guntur Chili. Fiery Indian chili famous for flavor and spice. Methania Chili. Rajasthani chili prized for deep red color and heat. Teja Chili. Popular in Indian chili powders and pickles. Negro Chili. Super hot Indian chili with intense heat. Bhut Jolokia. Also known as ghost pepper, once the world's hottest. Trinidad Scorpion. Fiery chili with citrusy undertones, extremely hot. Carolina Reaper. One of the world's hottest, fruity yet scorching. 7 Pot Primo. Chocolate brown super hot chili with earthy flavor. 7 Pot Primo. Super hot hybrid known for extreme spiciness. 7 Pot Barrackpur. Very hot Trinidadian chili used in pepper sauces. Scorpion Butch T. Record-breaking super hot from Australia. Naga Viper. UK hybrid chili, extremely spicy and complex in taste. Infinity Chili. Once held the record for world's hottest pepper. Moruga Scorpion. From Trinidad, known for fruity heat. Fatalii. African chili with citrus flavor and high heat. Devil's Tongue. Hot yellow chili with tangy, sweet flavor. Yellow Lantern. Chinese chili with bright color and strong heat. Siling Labuyo. Tiny, fiery Philippine chili used in spicy sauces. Bird's Eye. Hot South Indian chili used in curries and chutneys. Malagueta. Brazilian chili with moderate heat, used in sauces. Camari do Para. Small Brazilian chili with fruity, tangy flavor. Rocoto. Thick Peruvian chili with juicy, apple-like texture. Lombok Chili. Indonesian chili with bright heat, used in sambals. Cabe Rawit. Tiny, fiery Indonesian chili popular in street food. Jwala Chili. Indian flame chili, long and spicy. Pusa Jwala. Mild Indian chili with sweet undertones. Tianjin Chili. Small Chinese chili used in Sichuan and Hunan dishes. Facing Heaven Chili. Medium hot Chinese chili pointing upward, used in Sichuan cuisine. Yidu Chili. Chinese chili used for its mild heat and red color in stir fries. Jing Tiao. Iconic Sichuan chili used in hot pot and chili oil. Tien Tsin. Small red Chinese chili, hot and aromatic. Hunan Chili. Adds dry heat to Chinese stir fries and stews. Shandong Chili. Chinese chili with mild heat, used for pickling. Siling Haba. Long green Filipino chili, medium heat for soups and stews. Peperoncini. Mild Italian chili used in salads and antipasto. Calabrian Chili. Italian chili with bold, fruity heat used in sauces. Biquinho. Brazilian little beak pepper, mild and sweet. Aji Dulce. Sweet, mild Caribbean chili resembling habanero flavor. Pimiento de Padron. Spanish chili, mild with occasional heat surprise. Guinea pepper. African chili used in soups and stews for bold spice. African devil pepper. Wild chili used in traditional African cooking. Madame Jeanette. Suriname chili with strong heat and fruity aroma. Yellow Scotch Bonnet. Bright, fiery Caribbean chili with tropical notes. Trinidad Perfume. Very mild chili with floral, fruity scent. Bonda Ma Jacques. Caribbean chili, extremely hot with lemony flavor. Aji Cachucha. Sweet Caribbean chili with little to no heat. Piquillo. Spanish chili, sweet and smoky, used in tapas. Guindilla. Spanish chili, mildly hot, often pickled. Choricero. Spanish chili dried for traditional chorizo and stews. Mulatto Negro. Mexican chili with mild, smoky sweetness. Pasilla Bajio. Mild, dried chili for sauces and soups. Joloro. Yellow jalapeno variety with moderate heat. Purple jalapeno. Colorful jalapeno with medium spice. White habanero. Rare chili with fruity flavor and searing heat. Chocolate habanero. Very hot with deep, smoky, earthy flavor. Peri peri. Spicy African chili used in famous Nando's-style sauces. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillion.